So you've got it opening out. Now, you don't want to put the glue on the outside windows where it shows. You just want to cut, see these cracks here? I just want to stop it from cracking first, so I put a drop of super glue on this and just run it along the cracks here. That way, at least when you put it back in, it won't crack on you. Make sure it's flat. And there we go. Almost I do both sides, why not? There we go, a little drop on there. Spread it in there. Those cracks. Hi there, and welcome back. I've got a Rambler window, and as you can see, it's really grotty. It's pretty damaged. What we're going to do is just clean it up quickly. And you know, even if it has scratches, you can take the 600 wet and dry sandpaper and rub this, right? I usually do the outside. If the inside doesn't need doing, I don't do it, right? I don't worry about the top too much either, because you're not going to see it. Just the windows. You can give it a clean up if you want. I mean, makes you feel better. There we go. Now we're getting in there. Now I don't know whether the inside needs doing or not yet. We'll see in a minute. It doesn't really matter. It's the same thing. We'll wipe it first. I got a bit of water here in this pan here, just to be able to clean these things out. Okay, sand a bit more. It doesn't take too long, and it starts cleaning up quite quickly. After this, it'll be like cloudy, right? So let's get a clean paper towel. And I'll just show you what I got right now. Put that in there. See how it's cleaned up? As you can see, it's got a cloud look on it now, but it's looking pretty good. I'll give it a little bit more rubbing. It's a bit dirty inside too, look at this. So I'm gonna have to wash the inside. Might even give it a light sand. Remember, 600 wet and dry. There, it says it there, look, there you go. Right? And we'll give it a little wash in here. Right? I might as well. Give it a clean, a bit of paper. And I'll show you the next phase. Once I wipe it dry again. This is on a close-up so you can see the glass cleaning up. There you go. See? It's cloudy right now, but it's clean. Yeah, I've got some turtle wax. It's cutting compound for cars. You can get any brand you like, really. They're in every car shop. And we're just going to put a little bit of that on my paper towel and give it a rub here, and we'll just... You'll see instantly that this will start shining up. You know, sometimes I do it wet and then I do it a little drier. Even with that short a rub, this section here is cleaned up. Right, if I get it so it doesn't shine so much. Beginning to shine up. That's how quick it goes. Yeah, so I just finished polishing it. So what you do is get some like window cleaner. Some would call it window clean. It's different things here in Paris. Or in France, I'm in Bordeaux. I don't even know how to pronounce that, so I'll leave it. Get a little Windoline, you put it on a paper towel, and you give it a quick wipe. Now the Windoline just cleans it and dries quickly, so you don't get those smears, you know. that you're looking at. And voila! You have quite a nice looking window. I mean, yeah, there are marks on it here from wear and tear. But I mean, that's pretty good, isn't it? I'll just show you one that I just did as well in a car. And see, that looks pretty good. You can't complain about that on the shelf. There's a little marks, but in general, cleans up enough to present it as a showpiece in the car. There we go, look. I'm quite happy with that. Move on. That's how I clean the windows.